Man, I love fishing. Ooh, I got a bite. This is a keeper.
You can't eat me.
I'm gonna eat you because you're delicious.
But you and your friends have already been destroying my habitat and my friends' habitats.
What are you talking about?
You humans are destroying the environment by releasing large amounts of greenhouse gases. These gases are causing global climate change, which has caused extreme weather patterns such as droughts and floods.
Global climate change is a myth made up by liberals like Al Gore.
You obviously don't know what you're talking about. Greenhouse gases are gases in the Earth's atmosphere that absorb infrared radiation, but not visible radiation, which cause heat to be trapped in the Earth's atmosphere, as shown by this graph. And this next graph shows how increase in CO2 has led to an increase in temperature over thousands of years. CO2 isn't the only greenhouse gas. Some other examples are methane, ozone, water vapor, nitrous oxide, and CFCs, to name some. They can come from anywhere from coal-fired power plants, automobiles, refrigeration units, and other industrial processes. So are you convinced global climate change exists yet?
No, you're just a stupid fish.
Well, there are other indicators that global climate change is happening right now.
Like what?
Just as I mentioned, global climate change is causing extreme weather such as floods and droughts, which is affecting my habitat. Some of my friends in the animal kingdom have also felt the impact of climate change indicators.
What animals?
Tonight as you sleep, you will be visited by 3 members of the animal kingdom. They will explain to you how climate change has affected their lives for the worse.
Yeah, okay. You can go back to swimming now. I've lost my appetite.
Caw, caw!
Where am I? What am I doing? Am I dreaming?
You are not dreaming, brother.
Usually birds aren't here this early in spring. What are you doing?
I am not excited about it either, man. I'm stuck here in Blacksburg instead of getting to stay longer in Florida.
What are you talking about?
Due to global climate change, it warms up earlier in the season, brother. Flowers bloom earlier, and I migrate earlier. Not to mention now, I migrate 35 miles north of where I had to 40 years ago. This means I'd get to spend less time chilling on the beach, man. Have you been to Florida recently?
No.
Well, let me tell you, brother. The less time I spend there, the more time I'll spend here, which means more bird crap for your car. I will leave you with that warning, man.
What a weird dream and a dumb bird. I'm going to bed.
Wake up.
Are you the animal the fish told me about?
I am here to tell you about how you and the rest of the humans are destroying my habitat by causing global climate change.
Not more of this climate change nonsense.
Nonsense, my flipper. The temperatures in Antarctica have risen 3 to 4 degrees Fahrenheit in the last 50 years. Because of this, Antarctica loses more than 36 cubic miles of ice every year. If this continues and all of Antarctic ice is melted, the sea level will rise by 20 feet. As a result of this, we have a harder time finding food, and our predators have an easier time finding us. If things continue, we may go extinct. I leave you with this warning.
You're not a real penguin. Aren't you just that fish from earlier? That stupid fish. I'm just going back to bed. Ah!
You have been visited tonight by 2 animals. I am representing the third.
Where are we?
We are in Costa Rica.
Why isn't the third animal here to tell me about global climate change?
Because global climate change has caused that animal to go extinct.
What are you talking about, extinct?
Humans' role in global climate change caused the golden toad to go extinct in 1989.
Not the golden toad! Say it isn't so! The golden toad, the poor golden toad. I promise I'll change my ways and stop hurting the environment so much.